Good morning, children. Take out Wind Chimes, Workbook 1, Chapter 2, page 11. Take out Vocabulary. The Chapter 2, the sweet smell, Vocabulary, page 11. Let's make new words with the vowels I. Vowels I. Read these words aloud. It's very important, children. Eat words. Eat words. Bit, fit, 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 hit, kit, kit, lit, pit, sit. Eat words. Okay, used eat words. See, bit, bit. In words. In, fin, kin, pin, sin, tin, win. Egg words. Big, big, dig, fig, jig, pig, wig. Next, id words. It, bid, bid, did, hid, kid, lid, rid. Next, ip, dip, dip, hip, lip, rip, sip, tip. Next, other words. Bip, nip, dip, bip, nip, dip. So this is very important vocabulary. So practice. Next, A. Let's make words with I. One has been done for you. See, P plus IN, bean. Okay. Take out your school homework copy. A1, B plus IN, bin. Bin. 2, D plus IN, right here, din, din, 3, F plus IN is equal to fin, fin. P plus IN is equal to, right here, pin, pin. Question 5, T plus IN is equal to, right, tin, tin. 6, W plus IN, right here, win, win. 7, B plus IT, bit, right here, bit, bit. 8, K plus IT is equal to kit, kit. 9, P plus IT, pit, P-I-T, pit. Number 10, B plus I-B is equal to bib, B-I-B, bib. R plus I-B, rib, R-I-B, rib. 12, S plus I-P, sip, S-I-P. Children, practice. Okay, 12, 1 to 12. Let's make new words with the vowels U. Read these words aloud. First say UT words. But, B-U-T, but. B-U-T, but. C-U-T, cut. G-U-T, jut. H-U-T, hut. N-U-T, nut. C-U-B, cup. Sorry, G-U-T, gut. L-U-B, D-U-B, duck. C-U-B, cup. D-U-B, duck. H-U-B, hug. R-U-B, rub. T-U-B, tub. Next, U-G words. Bug, B-U-G, bug. J-U-G, jug. M-U-G, mug. R-U-G, rug. D-U-G, duck. U-N, un words. Bun, B-U-N, bun. F-U-N, fun. G-U-N, gun. R-U-N, run. S-U-N, sun. Up words. U-P, up. C-U-P, cup. T-U-P, pup. U-S, ask words. U-S, B-U-S, bus. P-U-S, bus. Now children, B. Make words with the U sound. U sound. B. Page 12B. 12B, make words with the U sound. Number 1. H dash dash. See the picture? Heart. H-U-T. Heart. 2. U. B-U-N. B-U-N. Bun. 3. B-U-S. See the picture? U-S. Bus. 4. Right here. Cup. C-U-B. Cup. 5. J-U-G. Jug. J-U-G. Jug. 6. Sun. S-U-N. Sun. Okay. H-U-T, heart. B-U-N, bun. B-U-S, bus. C-U-B, cup. J-U-G, jug. S-U-N, sun. Okay. Repeat again. Question B. Make sounds with the U sound. This is filling the blanks also. So 1. Hut, H-U-T, hut. Okay, H-U-T, hut. B-U-N, burn. B-U as bus. Cup, C-U-B, cup. Jug, J-U-G, jug. And sun, S-U-N, sun. Children, take out your school diary. Write your homework. Chapter 2. The sweet smell. Page 11, 12. Page 11 and 12. Practice. I hope everyone understood. Okay, page 11 and 12. So children, practice.